The title of our research is Effect of Independent Student Learning, the problem solving using the worksheet geometry based on PjBL. Introduction: the ability to solve problems in mathematics learning in especially in the learning process. And learning independence is also an important element to support the success of students. Based on the results of the observation in the past, is known the student learning outcomes in geometry courses still now. The project-based learning is defined by considering the project not as a learning goal but as a tool for learning. The schema is the phase determines the basic question and the two and the second arrange the project planning. The third arrange the schedule. The fourth monitoring. The fifth in the test results, and the last experience evaluation. Students are the wrong in making mathematical model of the given problem solving ability question. In addition, the students are also not able to solve all the questions correctly. This following is an example of the content the worksheet based on the PjBL methodology. This type of research is an experimental research. This research involves a group of subjects who are given treatment, a questionnaire, and the final test. The research was carried out in the even semester of the 2019 and 2020 academic year class of 2019 who took explicitly special geometry course. The question used is closed. The final test is in the form of an essay with a total of 5 questions. The data analysis technique is a learning independent score analysis which is carried out by determining the number of scores obtained. The data analysis technique of the influence of learning independence on student learning outcomes using simple linear regression analysis and the close linear relation between x and can be seen from the correlation coefficient. And now table 1 have percentage of independent learning indicator. It can be seen that the percentage of indicator learning independent is above 70%, so that student learning independence looks good. The results, the simple linear regression analysis. On the table, you can see that, which means that R is close to 0. The linear relationship between X and Y is weak. Conclusion: based on the equation of learning independence questionnaire scores and final test scores, it is known that Student dependence questionnaire scores are above 70% and the average student final test results are 72.25, meaning that the greater the independence of student, the better student learning outcomes. Based on the analysis of research results of time, it can be concluded that there is a relationship between learning independent and student mathematical problem solving abilities. Thus, the use of the worksheet based on the PjBL on this topic of socialic geometry at Padang State University. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.